Alright, I'm going to show you how to quickly share content between teachers. So say you have an assignment or a quiz that you want another teacher to have. Here's how you do that. We go ahead and click on the class, and this is the person who's submitting the content, and they choose whatever assignment that they want to submit. So in this case, let's go ahead and do this one, pattern text your name. All I do is I click this gear button right here, and then I go down to share to commons. Now once I do that, I have to put in some information here. So first off, I want to check this, all of Sister School District. If you want it to be public, you can. If you want to or not, it's up to you. You do have to put in a few things. You have to put in a description. So this is a teacher nameplates. You do have to put in at least one tag, and it's kind of silly that you have to do that, but so I'll just go ahead and put it in a tag. And you have to choose an image. And so I'm just going to go ahead and click on name here, and I'll just click anything here. If this is something that you want to have be out there for a long time, you may want to spend a little bit more time with this information here, as well as this. You don't have to do this, but you can actually choose the grade level that you want. You can put in the Common Core standards along with the state standards if you want to. And once I'm done, all I have to do is click share. Once I click share, the person who is sharing it is all done. It says your share was successful. Now the person who wants to receive it, all they have to do is go ahead and go into where it says Commons right here, and they're going to go ahead and type in, probably the easiest way is just to type in the person's last name. So I'll type in my last name, and if you notice right here it says show public resources, so it'll have a lot of stuff that's related to EST, VOLD, or I can just turn that off, and now I'm only going to see my school stuff. Now if you notice, here's the assignment. Actually, this is the one that I just submitted. I can go ahead and click on that, and now what I want to do is, well, what class do I want to import it into? So I'm going to import that into my sandbox because I don't want it anywhere else, and I click import. After I do that, it says I've successfully started the import. It may take a second to see it. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go into my course now, and I'll go down to Sandbox, and I'm going to actually find it in Assignments. Now one thing that you need to be aware of, it's going to be in something called Imported Assignments. It's going to be on the very bottom, and you can see this Pixlr Lesson 6, your name. But if you notice, if it's left in here and you activate the assignment, the kids can still do it, but it's not worth anything. I actually have to take this and put it into one of my categories where I have weighted information. So I can actually put it in the test area. And then finally, if you want to put it into your modules, all you have to do is just go back up to your modules, and you would click the plus of whatever module that you want to put it into. So if I want to put it in this module, I'd just click my plus button, I'd find that assignment here, and then I'd say add item. And that is it. Super easy, super quick.